this is Chris Gould with Geeks on Tour, and this Show Me video is about Snapseed and the text tool.
Text on photo. So text on photo, this is a picture of the Peace River, and I want it to say Peace River. So open in Snapseed, but I've got to make it prettier. I got to do an HDR on that. Oh, that's just so much better. Okay, now I can add text. So I went to Tools, and there's text is down at the bottom. It says double tap here to change text. Double tap, and then just tap to type Peace River, and okay. Now you can move that around anywhere just by dragging. You can resize it by using 2 fingers. You can change the color by tapping on the color down here. Kind of like that. You can change the transparency. Let me change the style first though. Let's say I want to make it big and bold. And now what if you wanted this to be a, what's that called? Watermark. Thank you. Watermark. Yes. You can change the transparency. So that's 100%. If you bring that down, so you could use this for watermark, but I kind of like that one. Full on, and I like that writing. And there. Or you can even make it look like a badge. Sometimes it's hard to see the text. Like let's say if we had to put it down there, it gets kind of messed up with the dock. So we could go into styles, and there's all sorts of styles, and some of them look like badges. So it puts the word inside something of color. And you can just play with them. There's all sorts of different styles. All right, I like that one. No, that one. Check mark and save.